and you guys can tell us which parts you want to see more. Hello, good day, Mr. Mahamud. Welcome to our lecture here. We are sending you our catalog for your reference, okay? And we are talking about our hot sale hose crimping machines here. You guys can see this video. This machine is customized for one of our customer friends. He wants to do aluminum rectangular tube reducing work. Okay, after our technicians study the samples and the size our friend want to do, we customize this machine especially for him. You guys can see this model is our new arrival in 2022, okay? And it's ultra thin hose crimping machines, very suitable for pipes with very big flange fittings, or the fittings with 90-degree bend. So very special hose fittings. These machines can handle everything, okay? So you guys can tell us more details you want, okay? Hello, good day,